Now that the Avata 360 is officially out and pre-orders are open, a lot of people are starting to compare it to other drones in this space. But the interesting thing is that they really aren't trying to do the same thing. On one side, you've got something like the Antigravity A1, which is clearly built on simplicity and portability. It's lightweight, it's easy to get in the air, and it's really focused on that quick, casual flying experience. But when you actually look at how these perform side by side, you start to see where they differ. In brighter scenes like this, you can see how each handles light and reflections. And the Avata 360 just looks a little bit more controlled here, especially around the highlights and the glare. And in more complex environments like this, the overall image from the Avata 360 feels cleaner and more consistent. And that kind of lines up with what DJI is going for overall. The Avata 360 feels more like it's built around immersion and flexibility. It works as a hybrid between a full 360-degree capture system and more traditional FPV-style drones, which already puts it in a different category. You also get native 8K 360 video, so you can reframe your shots later into completely different perspectives. And overall, it just feels more like a balanced system between image quality, stabilization, and overall flight confidence. And just to give a quick spec comparison, the Avata 360 brings 1-inch flagship imaging, up to 8K at 60 frames per second, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and more built-in storage. The A1, on the other hand, is lighter and offers longer battery life, so it's really more about portability and travel. And with pre-orders now open, pricing starts at just $479 for the drone by itself. So if you already have the controllers, you don't necessarily need to purchase an additional controller. You can use it with your existing controllers. Or for $719, you can get it with the RC2 controller included. There are also Fly More combo packages available that include either the RC2 controller with extra batteries, or you can get the other Fly More combo, which is called the Motion combo, that has the goggles and the extra batteries. So instead of thinking of it as a direct competition, you can think of it more as what type of experience you're after. One is about simplicity and portability, the other is about immersion and creative control. So I'm curious, I wonder which direction you would end up going in. Post that in the comments below.